Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a culinary essential that's been cherished for centuries, the Hakan handmade clay pot with lid. This isn't just any cookware. It's widely regarded as one of the best unglazed clay pots you can find on the market today. Let's start with what makes the Hakan handmade clay pot so special. Crafted from natural, unglazed terracotta, this pot isn't just about cooking, it's about embracing a healthy, eco-friendly way of preparing your meals. Unlike many modern cookware options, this pot is entirely natural and free from harmful chemicals. Its unglazed surface preserves the integrity of your ingredients and enhances the natural flavors of your food. Whether you're using it on the stovetop or in the oven, the Hakan clay pot handles both with ease. From slow-cooked stews to baked dishes, its versatility knows no bounds. Handcrafted in the Cappadocia region of Turkey, each pot embodies the artisanal skill and tradition that goes back generations. It's not just cookware, it's a piece of culinary history in your kitchen. With its vintage charm and rustic appeal, this pot isn't just for cooking, it's a statement piece that adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. To ensure longevity and optimal performance, it's recommended to season the pot before the first use. This involves rubbing the surface with oil and baking it at a low temperature. This process enhances the pot's natural nonstick properties and prepares it for delicious cooking adventures. If you're someone who values health, tradition, and the joy of cooking, the Hakan handmade clay pot is an excellent choice. It's more than just a cooking vessel. It's a commitment to wholesome meals and sustainable living. And there you have it, the Hakan handmade clay pot with lid, a testament to the timeless art of cooking with clay. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a passionate home cook, this pot is sure to elevate your culinary experience. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for more details and to get your own Hakan handmade clay pot today.
Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more in-depth product reviews that help you make informed choices. Until next time, happy cooking!